The Turkish city of Bodrum, a paradise with an incredibly beautiful sea, or a scam for a tourist. We went on a weekend trip to Turkey's most European city to find out. Settled not in the very center of the city of Bodrum, but in one of its districts, Gümbet. Later you will find out why. Gümbet is a very party area with a lot of nightclubs, and there is also a beach and more places for swimming than in Bodrum itself. In the first half of the day, the sea is crystal clear, but after lunch it becomes cloudy and the strong wind does not allow you to enjoy your vacation. The center of Bodrum can be reached by taxi. Just go to the nearest station and you can easily get it. We drove to Bodrum Marina. This is a very beautiful place with a lot of yachts. From this place you can easily start the route to the signs. Go to the local Grand Bazaar. There are amazing shops with local decorations, paintings, and tourist souvenirs. And in the midday heat, it is very cool here. But note that the prices are written in euros. The old city consists of very cute white houses. They are just beautiful. But keep in mind that by checking in into a hotel in the old town, you will deprive yourself of a comfortable beach holiday. For beautiful beaches, it is better to go to the surrounding area. The coolest iconic signs in the city are the Archaeological Museum in Bodrum Castle, the Mausoleum in Halicarnassus, by the way this is one of the wonders of the world, and the amphitheater with very beautiful picturesque views of the bay. We had a great time. Unfortunately, it's time to go home. Well, have a nice trip to Bodrum. See you in next videos.